The next question from Hamad, Uttar Pradesh, India. I was asked by a non-Muslim that if music is considered haram in Islam as it takes a person away from the remembrance of Allah, then even sex, that is sexual intercourse, should have been haram in Islam, applying the same reasoning because it also takes one away from the remembrance of Allah. Please reply. This is a very good question from Hamad, that if music is haram because it takes a person away from Islam, then even sexual intercourse should be haram because it takes a person away from the remembrance of Allah. Let me tell you, music is haram because the Prophet has said it's haram, musical instrument. One of the additional reasons is that it takes a person away from the remembrance of Allah. Regarding sexual intercourse, depending on whom you are doing sexual intercourse with, then whether sexual intercourse is haram or not will apply. If you are doing sexual intercourse outside the marital bonds, if you are not doing it with your wife, but natural, and now since slavery is abolished, doing sexual intercourse outside the marital relationship, it is haram. So surely sexual intercourse is haram, because when you are doing it with people who are not your wife or not between the spouses, it is surely haram. It will take you away from remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But if you are doing sexual intercourse with your wife, with your legal spouse, then you will follow the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran and the Hadith. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said that when you are doing intercourse, you do wudu. Now when you are doing wudu is ibadah. You are coming closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In wudu, you say Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Then you read, Ashhadu la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. You say that I bear witness that there is no God but Allah and Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Then you are remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. While you are doing intercourse with your wife, you are praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that whatever you give, keep it away from the shaitan. So when you are doing intercourse with your wife, it is taking you towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In fact, doing intercourse with your wife is also charity, our Prophet said. If you do intercourse with your wife and don't do it with someone who is outside the marital bond, even that is ibadah, because you are following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So doing intercourse with your wife is ibadah, it is charity. You are following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But if you are doing sexual intercourse away from your marital relationship with someone who is not your spouse, it is haram, and surely it will take you away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.